Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video, this is video number 3 in my 4-part series using a 1/4 pound of the Costco organic ground beef to feed your family. So come on with me in this video, let's get started. Now hopefully you guys watched videos 1 and 2. In video number 1, I made Enchilada Stack with a homemade enchilada sauce. And in video number 2, I made meatball parmesan pizza with a garlic infused olive oil. Now this video, I'm going to be making my mom's recipe for Hamburger and Yorkshire pudding with an amazing Texas barbecue sauce. So let's get cooking. Now we are going to be making this Texas barbecue sauce, and it is my mom's recipe. And it is a little bit spicy, but it tastes so good on the dinner we're going to be making tonight with the 1/4 pound of ground beef. I have the barbecue sauce all done, so next I'm just going to saute up this 1/4 pound of the ground beef and then add in a little bit of onion and multicolored peppers, a little salt and pepper, and maybe a little garlic powder. Now that I've got everything put together, I'm going to put the pie plate in the oven and let it get hot, remove it, and we'll go on to the next step. Kind of funny story, but everything back when my mom made this recipe, everything was done with bacon grease, even the pan and also the Texas barbecue sauce. But today I'm just using my garlic infused olive oil that maybe you saw in the previous video, so that's what I will be using today. Okay, just got it out of the oven. I baked it for 30 minutes at 400 degrees and it turned out just perfect. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, making the Hamburger and Yorkshire pudding, my mom's recipe that will feed your family with only a 1/4 pound of ground beef. Hey, leave me an emoji down in the comment section so I can see that you saw this video and that you liked it. And also, you can follow me on Instagram, Mom Lincoln, Dawn of Cooking, and also my blog, dawnofcooking.com. So also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video, number 4.